Wait, don't go because I have a special offer for you if you are someone who is interested in creating and selling your own digital planners, which I'm guessing you are because otherwise you would not have requested the digital planner creator starter kit. Now, it is on your way to your inbox right now, but before you leave this page, for the next 30 minutes, I would like to offer you a completely done for you solution for digital planning. So I am pretty much, as far as I know, the only person who offers digital planner templates that you can take, customize, change the fonts, change the logos, change the colors, add your own images, and sell it as your own. Or even better, you can just take the current template as is and sell it right now today. You could actually have your own digital planner shop up and running in 2 seconds. So if you are interested, I have my 4 very best templates down below for you. 2 of them are dated 2020 planner templates, and the other 2 are specialty niche area planners. One is a fitness planner because who is not ever looking for a fitness planner? And the second one is a wedding planner, which is also a huge bestseller. So if you would like any of these planners, I am actually going to give you all 4 of them for the price of one. So check that link down below because you won't see this offer anywhere else. And I can't wait to see your digital planner shop.